right, so what you need to do is just simply head over to your web browser, specifically Google Chrome, and just simply go to GeminiGoogle.com. Once you're inside, what you need to do is just simply go to settings and help. Over here, you'll see apps. Just go ahead and press on apps. And right over here, I've already turned on Google Workspace. And if it's not, just it will be like this. Just simply turn it on and it will ask you to connect and just simply connect. Now, right over here, it got plenty of options. It's like Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, and YouTube, and even YouTube Music. So I'll connect all of it. Right over here, I'll show you how you can use it. So here are some ways it will show you. Now let's just go to new chat. And right over here, you just gotta type in at, and it will show you all the stuff. So let's say if I want to do Gmail, and just like that, it'll take a few seconds. And yeah, it's gonna connect to your workspace, and it's just gonna take a few seconds to load up. And here you are. Here, as you can see, it's going to show you all your recent mails. And let's just do another example of YouTube. And let's see what it shows. Yeah, it does not have this kind of access, but I've just showed you how it works. And let's just try again. Yeah, here you are. It's just going to show you like songs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this video helped you out. Please do leave a like, and I'll see you soon.